Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today we're going to be talking about how to clean your nasty glass top stove. I have a ton of burnt on stuff on here, and today we're using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Baking Soda Cream Cleaner. As you can see, it says it's scratch free, cleans and polishes. This works really well if you're not into making your own homemade cleaners like I am. It's super simple. Just squirt it all over your glass stove, grab a dry washcloth and start buffering it in. I like to work in circle motions, small circles, just working my way across the glass top, really focusing in on any hard burnt on areas, letting that cream cleanser sitting on a little bit more thick in certain areas where it needs a little bit more help. And then the weapon of choice here is your handy dandy cleaning toothbrush. I went ahead and got mine and used it in all the little nooks and crannies, any of those really hard burnt on spots. I like to use a soft bristle toothbrush for this, just because it does work really well. It doesn't scratch the glass top or anything, and it really helps lift off any of those burnt on spots that need a little bit more TLC than others. And then once that is all done, I take a wet washcloth, wipe it down, and there you go. Your glass top is looking brand new and ready to be made a big mess again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video.